So hello everyone and welcome on my new video, and in this video we will talk about top 5 Discord music bots in 2024. So without wasting time, let's start the video. So for number 5 we choose Musico Discord bot, and this rating is based on top.gg website ratings, and I test all these bots and rated it by myself. So on number 4 we have Iode Music Bot. It's a pretty simple music bot to listen songs. And if you want a separate setup video of any music bot, let me know in comments. On number 3rd, we have my favorite music bot from old time, Pancake. It has a great quality, so make sure to add it in your server. On number 2nd, we have Soul Music and Stone Music. Both are pretty amazing and have great sound quality. So before going on the first music bot, make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more Discord related videos. So for number 1, we have Jockey, most famous and specially for English songs. And let me know in comments which music bots you guys are using in your server, and all the bot links is in description. So thanks for watching the video and see you all in next video. Until then, see ya.